Hello YouTube friends. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Please subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you get the latest video updates. Nothing escapes the interwebs, especially if the information comes from China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, a website that can be accessed by the public. The latest cars to be homologated in the People's Republic are the facelifted BMW X3 and its electric sibling, the BMW X3. These two models are yet to be revealed globally, but the homologation process in China gives them an early debut. As always, our pals from Colsa.ru release a set of unofficial renderings of the SAV combo, showing us what these two could look like in global production form. As with the China-bound versions, the X3 and the renderings above carry the M Sport package, which can be seen with the slightly aggressive styling and blacked-out trims employed. We're happy to report that the X3's grille isn't botched up at this point, so detractors don't need to complain in that regard. There's a huge update on the facelifted model at the rear. As part of the lifecycle impulse, the X3 gets a redesigned taillights plus a huge pair of exhaust finishers that will replace the round tips of the outgoing model. Vertical air vents are also integrated within the rear bumper, but as with a lot of vehicles these days, they're likely fake. Interior changes are in order as well, but unfortunately, those aren't included in these renderings. You can expect an update to the BMW iDrive infotainment system, though that's as much as we know about the cabin changes in the refreshed model. BMW is scheduled to reveal the facelifted X3 and X3 globally in June, though an exact date is yet to be announced. The update to the full X3M model is expected by the end of the year or in early 2022.